In a world that never stops, staying ahead is key. You need technology that truly understands your pace. Juggling work, fitness, and social life can be challenging. But what if there was a smarter way to connect it all? Introducing the revolutionary Aura smartwatch, designed to seamlessly integrate into your dynamic life right on your wrist. It's more than a timepiece, it's your personal assistant, health coach, and communication hub, all in one elegant device. Track your fitness goals with unparalleled precision. Advanced sensors monitor your heart rate, steps, and calories burned. Gain insights into your sleep patterns and stress levels. The Aura smartwatch empowers you to prioritize your well-being every day. Whether you're running a marathon or just staying active, its robust design and accurate tracking keep up with every move. Stay connected without missing a beat. Receive instant notifications for calls, messages, and app alerts directly on your wrist. Respond quickly with voice commands or preset replies. Manage your communications effortlessly, even when your phone is away. Organize your day with intuitive controls, set reminders, check your calendar, and manage tasks with a simple tap. Syncs perfectly with your favorite apps and devices. The Aura smartwatch ensures your digital world is always within reach, crafted with premium materials. The Aura smartwatch boasts a sleek, modern design that complements any style. Its lightweight profile and comfortable strap make it ideal for all-day wear. From the office to your evening workout, express yourself with customizable watch faces and interchangeable bands. Make your Aura smartwatch uniquely yours. Experience innovation that truly keeps pace with you. The Aura smartwatch is designed for your dynamic, modern life. Elevate your everyday. Discover the Aura smartwatch today and redefine what's possible on your wrist.